Good morning, good people. I'm popping in on this beautiful, what is today? Saturday morning. It's pretty early. Me and the mister needed to get out and handle some business today, so had to get up early. Still feel like I got my sleep voice. I got my cup of iced coffee today. I tried a new recipe, and I think I liked it. I use, what did I use? My instant coffee that I showed y'all. Pumpkin spice. Just some pumpkin spice, like a little pumpkin spice flavor seasoning. And I use a little bit of my butterscotch topping, and some almond milk and some butter pecan creamer, and it came out pretty good. I'm gonna need that today. That little boost. It's actually a cloudy, kind of rainy day today, so it's one of them days I'd rather just be on the sofa, but we needed to get some stuff done, so shouldn't be out long though, unless I get distracted and go to the thrift store or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but about to run a few errands this morning and see what the rest of today holds. I don't believe I picked y'all back up since the birthday party. I don't think so. So, thank y'all for all of your beautiful comments on that. The party went well. Probably the funniest comment was somebody said, not the senior citizens wearing you out. That's so funny. I had to go back and watch that again. I didn't even know I said that. But the senior citizens, I wasn't lying. I call senior citizens. I call senior citizens seasoned. I say the seasoned people. Baby, they know how to party, honey. And they spicy. They know how to party. They spicy. They want what they want. And yeah. So they gave us a run for our money. You hear me? But it was all in good fun. Everybody had a great time. So yeah, it was all good. But I had a good work week. Plan to have a great weekend. I know I need to get a lot of housework done. Catch up on some laundry. Those type of adult things. But outside of that, plan to have a good day. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And if you're not, you command your day to be great. Okay, so I'm gonna head out because I gotta go meet Mr. Allen, so he probably waiting on me. So let me go, and I'll talk to y'all later.